This is a repair attempt for Pamela Chism. Claim number is 045-555-6704. We're going to be repairing this shingle right here. This is the one that's damaged. So it's right here. Yep, stops there. Right here. You can see there's crease, missing. There's a couple of repairs back here that have been attempted. There's a few here. 1, 2, 3. There's 2. As you can see right here on top of this shingle. Never adhered. The reason why it didn't adhere, you can see the material asphalt transfer on the bottom of this tab. The asphalt has been transferred upon removal. So that shingle's never going to seal back correctly. This shingle is never going to seal back correctly. See that? These down here as well. This repair was done, I don't know, 3 months. That one. By the way, this one was torn in the process. You can see where you've got a chunk right there of that shingle. So it just pulled right through. See? This one sealed back down. That's good. That one didn't. Notice how it's sealed here, but not here. Never sealed back. Why is that? Well, you got asphalt transfer to the mat, so it's never going to seal back correctly. Which means the next windstorm we have is going to get blown off as well. These are getting lifted every time the wind blows. These are lifted. That's lifted. But anyway, back to the repair that we were going to attempt. There's one right here on the front. Again, this is the shingle that we're repairing. And again, you can see it stops there. And right there. The first thing is obviously to remove the shingle. See where the nails are. Up. Nail pull through. I don't know if you can see that. Nail pull through. Nail pull through the mat right there. There it is. All right. this shingle, you're nailing it through this shingle. So So now we have to loosen these nails to get this shingle out. There we go. See that? Yeah. I'm filming it right now.
About you know, the age of the roof and everything, you know.
Well, that's my whole point, is you can't repair.
And the other point is, we tried to get them to do this 5 years ago.
I know. Well, you can't repair a 21-year-old roof that's rated for 20 years,
Yeah, exactly.
especially in Alabama.
Yeah.
So.
Plus, you can't do the belt right. You can't get up under it, you know.
I know.
You can't do a quarter of the fucking roof.
Well, when you did the back, when you repaired the back, you have.
Do anything.
Well, there was a repair back there. There's material asphalt transfer where whenever the new shingle was installed, whoever removed the other shingle.
Was it right in front of the fireplace or something?
So when they removed it, they actually, the asphalt has transferred to the mat. So whenever you lift that shingle off after they're glued together, you rip the glue, which means the new shingle is never going to adhere to the old shingle because there's no glue strip. So anytime we have a windstorm, it's just going to blow those shingles back and forth till they blow off. So I recorded that on there too.
Is there a sink up there?
Yes, you do have one. Let me finish this up before it starts raining. All right, new shingle. Oh yeah? Oh, that's nice. I did. I think you showed them to me last time I was here. Got it. All right. I got some.
Basically holding the same thing. You know, we should have done this a long time ago.
I know. Crease. Crease.
Probably 5 years ago.
Crease. Crease. So to repair one shingle, we damaged 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 in order to repair one.